Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. An iPhone signed into iCloud with Find My turned on and Bluetooth active. Then put Beat Studio 3 into pairing mode and pair them in Settings Bluetooth. This links them to your Apple ID so Find My can track them. Once paired, make sure firmware updates finish. These enable location features. You're doing this now to register the headphones with Apple's network, which is the only way to reliably locate them later. Once done, open the Find My app and select Devices, then choose your Beat Studio 3 to view their last known location on the map. If they're nearby, tap Play Sound to make them emit noise so you can pinpoint them in the room. If farther away, tap Directions to get turn-by-turn guidance. Make sure your phone has a stable connection, because Find My pulls live updates only when the headphones connect to the network through any Apple device. To finish, use Mark as Lost and Find My to lock alerts and display contact info. Enable Notify when found so you get an update if they reappear. If the beats don't show up, reset them and repair. Press and hold the power and volume down until the LED flashes. Then confirm iCloud and Bluetooth are active on your phone. If things still fail, check firmware and try another iOS device. That fixes most connectivity or location reporting problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.